So security researchers from CoinSpect recently found that some crypto wallets have been creating weak seed phrases that have already led to millions of dollars of users' funds being taken directly from their wallet. And since it's the entire seed phrase, all cryptos in these affected wallets are at risk. So that includes Bitcoin, XRP, ETH, you name it, it can be stolen from these affected wallets. And here's the scary part, certain crypto wallets have been creating weak seed phrases for the past 8 years, literally since 2018. But why is this happening? Is your wallet affected? And how do you avoid ever generating a weak seed phrase like this? Also, should you be using a 12 or a 24-word seed phrase? That's what we'll break down in this video. Before we get into how to avoid this moving forward, it's important we understand the underlying issue. And the issue stems from how certain crypto wallets create seed phrases. Every seed phrase is just encoded randomness. The BIP39 protocol that most of our wallet seed phrases are generated from turns cryptographic keys into 12 to 24 words, making it easier to manage. But there's a right and wrong way to generate a seed phrase. The correct way uses true randomness, which makes it virtually impossible to hack. But if the randomness is weak, attackers can guess the seed phrase because there's a smaller number of possible outcomes. And that's exactly what's going on with certain crypto wallets. And this isn't something your wallet's PIN, a passphrase, or best practices will save you from. This is a complete failure of the wallet itself. In other words, certain wallets are generating keys that can be guessed the moment they were created. In fact, this exact vulnerability was discovered in a very popular software wallet back in 2022. Security researchers at Ledger found that the Trust Wallet browser extension generated seed phrases that resulted in only 4 billion possible outcomes. Now, that might sound like a lot, but it's not. Compared to a truly random seed phrase that has a possible number of combinations that is equivalent to the number of atoms in the universe. Doesn't even compare. I'll put the exact number on screen so you can see just how big it is. This is a number of possible outcomes from a truly randomly generated seed phrase. So now we know what a truly random seed phrase looks like, but why are some wallets generating weak seed phrases? Well, it all comes down to the method they use. There are 3 popular methods crypto wallets use to generate your seed phrase, all with their own level of security. First is a TRNG, or True Random Number Generator. This is a method most hardware wallets use to generate your seed phrase. TRNGs actually use environmental sound to generate truly unique and one-of-a-kind seed phrases, which is why they're so secure. Second is a CSPRNG, or Cryptographically Secure Pseudo-Random Number Generator. This method also uses external environmental noises to assist in the seed phrase generation process, and it's designed to create truly random seed phrases. Then there's the PRNG, or Pseudo-Random Number Generator. This method relies solely on mathematical algorithms to quickly generate a seed phrase. The seed phrases created from this generator can be guessed because they are not cryptographically secure like the other 2 are. In fact, PRNGs are often used in games and statistical tests, but they should not be used to generate seed phrases for crypto wallets. Unfortunately, some crypto wallets have been using PRNGs, leading to seed phrases that can be guessed. And this is exactly what has led certain crypto wallets to creating dangerous seed phrases. So how do you know if the seed phrase you're using is safe, and what should you do if it's not? Since there isn't a definitive list of wallets that generated weak seed phrases, we have to approach this whole situation with caution. Security researchers say if your seed phrase was generated by a software wallet or a browser tool, especially an older one, treat it as potentially exposed. The uncomfortable truth is that weak seed phrases isn't something you can audit after it's been generated. You likely wouldn't know it's weak until it's already too late and your crypto is taken directly from your wallet, which is exactly what's happening to users right now. But don't panic yet. There are a couple of things you should do before taking action. First off, there's a tool that CoinSpect created that you can use to check if your seed phrase is weak, and I'll show you how to use that in a bit. But just a forewarning, the tool can't guarantee your seed phrase is safe. Before I show you how the tool works, let's talk about who isn't affected, and if you're generating a seed phrase today, how to do it safely. For starters, if your seed phrase was created using a hardware wallet, then it's secure. Hardware wallets like Ledger, Trezor, and Tangem, just to name a few, use TRNGs and CSPRNGs to generate a truly random seed phrase. But if you created a seed phrase using a software wallet, it's potentially at risk. Moving forward, it's recommended to create a seed phrase using reputable hardware wallets. And like I've always said, if you're using a software wallet for any reason, don't keep a significant amount of crypto on it. always use a hardware wallet to hold the majority of your crypto. Software wallets, aka hot wallets, are fine for doing riskier things like interacting with decentralized exchanges, claiming airdrops, or whatever it may be, but never keep crypto you care about in a software wallet. And if you don't have a hardware wallet that ensures you're using a secure and truly randomly generated seed phrase, I'll link my favorite one down in the description along with a discount code and my full step-by-step user guide you can use to secure your crypto ASAP. Now, if you suspect your seed phrase is weak, or if this tool I'm about to show you says it's weak, you need to move your crypto to a new wallet, like today or as soon as you can. Again, you'd want to move it to a hardware wallet so you don't run into the same issue. Okay, let's take a look at this tool from CoinSpect that lets you check your seed phrase. But remember, a big warning, this tool does not guarantee your seed phrase isn't weak. It's solely based on the wallets they found so far. So if there's any other software wallets that have been used to generate a seed phrase over the past 8 years since 2018, your seed phrase could still be weak, and it's best to err on the side of caution and generate a new seed phrase using a reputable hardware wallet and then transfer your crypto to it. That said, I linked this tool down in the description. All you have to do is take your wallet's receiving address, like I'm doing here, not your seed phrase. I would never recommend a tool that asks you for your seed phrase, but take your wallet's receiving address, which is already public data, paste it into the checker, then press the check address button. This might help ease your mind a bit, but again, it's not a guarantee. Now, I saw a lot of people asking if I had used a 24-word seed phrase, would I still be affected by this? And the answer is yes. Both can be weak if the wallet uses bad randomness. But when generated properly with strong entropy, a 24-word seed phrase is more secure because there's more randomness. So when I generate a seed phrase, I always choose the 24-word option. It just doesn't make sense not to. Another question I saw is why can't I just generate my own seed phrase using my own words? Well, a couple of things. First off, seed phrases are generated from this predefined list of 2,048 words. This is the BIP 39 word list. And when generated correctly, it's virtually impossible to guess your seed phrase, as I explained earlier. And the reason you shouldn't generate your own seed phrase from this list of words is because the TRNG and CSPRNG method that generates seed phrases do it more randomly than any human could. So the biggest lesson for me from this whole fiasco is that hardware wallets remain the most secure way to generate keys and secure your crypto. This is why I talk about it every day. Too many of you are still relying on non-secure tools for securing your crypto. And now we're quickly finding out if you don't do things right the first time, it can catch up to you in the long run. I've secured my crypto for the past 6 years because I did things right the first time. Watch this next video to see exactly how I've secured my crypto for the past 6 years so you can do it too. I'll see you over there. God bless and peace out.